Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Studio Zone. Today, I have something truly special for you. We all know that English is the most important language in the world. If you want a good job, you should know English. If you want to travel the world, you should learn English. If you want to start a business, English will help you connect with international clients. Even if you just want to watch movies, listen to music, or scroll through social media, English is everywhere. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, why is English the global language? What makes it so special? How did one language dominate the entire world while thousands of others faded into the background? Let's know. English became the global language, the language of the world. English is not just a language. It is the language of success, innovation, and global connection. It is used in business, education, technology, and international communication. Why is English the global language? 90% of international organizations use English as their official language. Over 60% of the Internet's content is in English. The world's top universities like Harvard, Oxford, and MIT teach in English. Most global businesses and tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Apple operate in English. 20 powerful countries where English is used. The world's most powerful and successful countries use English in daily life, business, and education. United States, the world's largest economy and leader in technology and innovation. United Kingdom, home to Oxford, Cambridge, and many financial institutions. Canada, a top destination for education and business. Australia, a strong economy with high living standards. Germany, Europe's economic powerhouse, where many professionals use English. France, a global leader in fashion, art, and technology, where English is essential for business. Japan, a hub for technology, robotics, and global trade. China, the world's second-largest economy, where English is widely used in business. India, one of the fastest-growing economies with millions of English speakers. Russia, a major global power where English is key in science and trade. If you want to succeed, learn English. English helps you find better jobs in multinational companies. English allows you to study in top universities and get scholarships. English makes travel easier, as it is spoken in most countries. English helps you connect with the world through social media, movies, and international news. English is the language of technology, business, and global success. If you want to grow, develop, and succeed, you need to learn English. Start today. The world is waiting for you. 15 richest and most famous politicians, billionaires, and business leaders who use English. English is the language of power, business, and success. Many of the world's richest and most influential people use English daily for communication, business, and global leadership. 1. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, USA. One of the richest men in the world, owns Tesla, SpaceX, and X, Twitter. Uses English for global business and technology innovation. 2. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, USA. Built Amazon, the largest online marketplace. One of the top billionaires in the world. English is the key to his global business empire. 3. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, USA. Revolutionized technology with Windows and Microsoft Office, a philanthropist donating billions to charity. English helped him dominate the tech industry. 4th, Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, Meta, USA, created Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. A leader in social media and AI technology. Uses English in global communication and tech business. Mukesh Ambani, CEO of Reliance Industries India, richest man in India and Asia. Leads businesses in telecom, retail, and energy. English is his primary business language. Donald Trump, former U.S. president and businessman, USA, built a real estate empire and became a billionaire. English is his language in politics, media, and business. Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba, China, one of China's richest businessmen. Though Chinese, he learned English to build Alibaba as a global e-commerce leader. English equals power, wealth, and success. These billionaires, politicians, and business leaders use English to dominate the world. If you want to succeed in business, technology, or politics, you need to learn English today. And most importantly, how can English change your life? Today, we are going to uncover the shocking truth behind why English became the most powerful language in the world. The real reasons behind English's global domination. Let's go back in time. 1,500 years ago, English was not the global language. In fact, it was just a local language spoken by a few small groups of people in England. So how did it go from a small language to the #1 language in the world? The answer lies in history, power, and globalization. The British Empire, the first wave of English domination. Now imagine this. It's the 1600s and England is a growing power, but England is not the biggest country in the world. Even after these countries gained independence, English remained the language of government, business, and education. That's why even today, India, Nigeria, and South Africa still use English as an official language. The rise of America. The second wave of English domination. The year was 1945. The world had just gone through one of the deadliest conflicts in history, World War II. Many of the most powerful countries like Britain, Germany, and France were left in ruins. The third reason why English became so powerful is technology and the internet. Think about it. When you open Google, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, what language do you see the most? English. Most websites, apps, and social media platforms started in America. That's why their main language is English. Even today, more than 50% of the internet is in English. If you want to, watch online videos, read news articles, use AI tools like ChatGPT. 4. English became the language of education and science. The last big reason is education and science. More than 90% of research papers are written in English. The world's top universities, Harvard, Oxford, Cambridge, and MIT, all teach in English. If you want to study abroad or learn the latest science, medicine, or technology, you must know English. Even in countries where English is not the first language, universities prefer to use English textbooks because they contain the best knowledge. Now, let's answer the most important question. How can learning English change your life? English is not just a language. It's a key to opportunities. If you know English, you can get a better job. If you know English, you can travel easily. If you know English, you can study in top universities. If you know English, you can start an online business. If you know English, you can connect with people all over the world. Even if you are not perfect in English, just speaking a little can make a big difference in your life. That's why I always say, don't be afraid of mistakes. Just start speaking. Final words. Now you know why English became the most powerful language in the world. It started as a small language, but history, power, business, technology, and entertainment made it the global language we use today. If you want to change your life, learn English. So, are you ready to improve your English? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing lessons like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.